Hey guys, welcome back to Scratch. Today we are going to make a mouse trail. So first let's start by choosing a sprite. Okay, I'm going to choose the hard face sprite, and now I'm gonna add some code. Okay, the code is gonna be go to random position. I'm going to change random position into mouse pointer. So when I click it, it's gonna follow the mouse. So let's make it do it forever. So let's see. It's following the mouse forever. Now we're going to add a when green flag clicked block. Okay, so now I'm gonna make a clone of it so that it will follow. So let's see. Let's click on it and it made a clone. 3 clones of the heart. Now let's use delete this clone. Let's first choose the when I start as a clone. I'm gonna make it change its color. Repeat. I'm gonna use the repeat loop and change color effect by 25. And after that, I'm gonna make it delete the clone. So I forgot to put this. Okay, when green flag click, create clone. It's only doing one. Let's add it here. Okay, we have a mouse trail. Now if you want to make a different kind of mouse trail, you can. Let's make it a little small. About 70. Okay. Nice. It's looking so pretty. You can choose any other sprite too. So now let's make a different kind. I'm gonna change ghost effect. And I'm gonna use it effect by 5 and put it in here. And I'm gonna make it change the size by 5. Okay, now I'm gonna add a point in direction 90. So it's when I'm dragging it, it's becoming big and it's fading. Okay, so you can make many, you can use other sprites too, like a ball. And add the same code. Oops. Let's first the balls doing the same thing. You can make many trails, a heart trail, a ball trail, a squirrel trail, a cat trail, anything. Now let's just choose a backdrop. I'm gonna use the this circle. I love the heart. So I'm just gonna delete the ball. And yeah. Yep, it's looking pretty. Let's add another thing. Change color effect to, and it's gonna change its size, it's gonna change its color, and it's gonna fade out like a ghost. You can make many trails. It's gonna be fun. So, it's all for now. Goodbye!